Water reclamation is not a line item to guess at after the bid is sent. Before the drone goes up, operators need a plan for runoff, containment, and proof. Water reclamation, chemical reclamation. We're fortunate.
Yeah, we don't deal with that a lot here.
Yeah, you typically, and this ain't getting political, you typically gonna deal with it in blue states more than red states.
Yeah.
Or you deal with a corporate brand that they force it at all their locations.
Yeah.
You know, we know Costco and Walmart.
Yeah.
A lot of times they're gonna make it mandatory. It's gonna be part of the bid. And if you don't know how to do water reclamation, you can probably look it up on YouTube.
It's not easy from what I understand.
Yeah, there's a cheaper way out of it. I don't believe you got to buy the water reclamation big units. If you're down with some redneck ingenuity, it's not hard.
Yeah.
But if you have a doubt and you just secured a big contract, go ahead and invest in it. You know, get you an official water reclamation machine. If you're comfortable with some redneck ingenuity, there's ways you can figure it out. It's not hard. But it is something that you need to, when you're bidding on a job, you better read that fine print, because you may be somewhere like Mississippi and you're like, oh, we don't do that. It's not required. Well, you better make sure that the customer doesn't require it.
I put in a large bid on a parking garage. We were cleaning the outside of it and the parking lot. Not parking. The sidewalks around the building. It was in the middle of Jackson, like middle of suburb Jackson, and so it was a big, tall parking garage next to one of those big. I think it was right next to the big Trustmark building. And dude, getting an answer out of Jackson to see if they even if water reclamation was required was impossible.
You know, what's funny about that is, you know, for those of you who don't know, we're talking about Jackson, Mississippi. You know, they've had a Flint level water crisis for Lord knows how many years. And what's crazy about it is, in all reality, you should probably be charging them for
putting bleach in
putting some chlorine, because I mean they pay for it. I mean the city has to put it in there, and here you are just handing it out for free. Yeah, we should be charging them.
Right.
But yeah, just pay attention to the requirements, the scope of work, on the RFQs that you are bidding on, or the customers you're talking to, because you may think you're in an area where water reclamation is not a requirement, yet the company that you're going to do the job for, they have that requirement. And a lot of those bigger brands, that happens. So let's see, moving on, what else? I think that kind of
wraps us up.
Yeah, it kind of wraps it up. Follow Flyby Shine for practical drone cleaning lessons on job planning, water control, and building a service business customers can trust.